Hey, check out my Klydoclock.
What's a Klydoclock?
It's a clock that shows you beautiful things. Look.
Whoa, it moves?
Yeah, Klydoclock has a huge collection of animated faces, called Klydos.
We felt that the motion of looping animation and the motion of a clock fit together perfectly.
It does. Those animated loops look awesome. Who made them?
The Klydo Artist Collective, they partnered with some of the most awesome animators from around the world and update the clock with a new Klydo every single day.
Hey, listen to that. It ticks.
Of course it ticks. It's a clock. It also chimes every hour.
I love it. By the way, are those hands real?
Well, they tried, but decided on a different approach.
These analog clock hands are completely digital.
Oh, and it has a cool knob.
Wait, so it's a smart clock?
Add cookies to my shopping list.
Nope, no notifications, no user profiles, not even an app. Just an awesome looking clock. Wow.
It does look awesome. The wooden frame and black paneling has an old school yet modern vibe.
And it's got all the best guts to deliver that gorgeously smooth motion at 60 frames per second.
That's a lot of frames.
Klydoclock is all about beautiful animation, stunning design. It's about celebrating creativity. Get yours today. For more info, check out Klydoclock.com.